Hey there, marketers! Imagine having a team of influencers promoting your business around the clock without the hefty costs or the hassle of managing real personalities. Sounds too good to be true? Well, welcome to the world of AIfluencers. AIfluencers is your all-in-one solution to creating, using, selling, and monetizing AI-powered influencers, all from a single dashboard. Picture this: custom digital personalities interacting, engaging, and promoting your products across social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and more. And the best part, it's completely automated. With AIfluencers, you can fully customize an influencer persona, traits, hobbies, physical attributes, you name it. These AI influencers can post headshots, hold products for sponsored content, and even engage with your audience through personalized chats. The app also includes social media scheduling features, so you can manage posts across platforms, driving engagement and affiliate marketing opportunities. But it doesn't stop there. AIfluencers allows you to showcase your virtual influencers in a public gallery, where businesses and users can lease or pay for promotional collaborations. This is a game changer for industries like fashion, food, sports, tech, and more. Think about the endless possibilities: niche influencer marketing, creating affiliate sales, or even launching your own AI influencer agency. Here's just a glimpse of what you can achieve with AIfluencers. Generate compelling product reviews, create stunning Facebook ad creatives, publish viral shorts and reels, craft sponsored posts, drive traffic to businesses, launch a faceless YouTube channel, promote affiliate products, help coaches in e-commerce stores, and close deals through engaging AI-driven chat interactions. So, how do you get started? Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Create your realistic AI influencer in any field or niche. Tap into cutting-edge AI technology and select from a diverse library of virtual personalities or customize your own. Step 2. Customize your AI influencer's persona, look, knowledge base, and more. Step 3. Put your AI influencer to work, boost sales fast, and get paid. Deploy your AI influencers across social media platforms, integrate with your existing marketing campaigns, and watch your engagement soar. Create posts, interact with followers, promote products, and provide customer support, all automatically and around the clock. Don't wait, this limited time offer won't last long. Hit the link below to start building your AI influencer empire today and claim your exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and let's revolutionize your marketing game with AIfluencers.